In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a very unique and an amazing way that you can automate your YouTube. Now, if there's anything that I know about making money online, I definitely know YouTube. Now, in my first month of making money on YouTube, I made in just 1 month, because I broke it down, and in just 1 month from one single shot, I made over $100. Yes, you heard that right. Now I am going to be showing you a way on how you can do it, even if you have no idea, you have no knowledge about YouTube creation, even if you are just starting, or even if you even been having a little issue with growing your YouTube channel. This tutorial is definitely for you. Now, if you are frequently on YouTube, or if you're a lover of YouTube, if you enjoy watching YouTube, you would notice that gradually AI is gradually taking a hold of YouTube. You can see AI slowly being inaugurated, immersed into videos, into the audios. You can just tell that AI is gradually taking over. And one of the things you are going to be leveraging on into this YouTube automation, because in this YouTube automation, I'm going to be showing you a way by which you are going to be doing it. It's going to be automated, meaning you are not going to be worrying about getting fancy props. You're not going to be worried about getting expensive light sets. You're not going to be worried about aesthetics in the background, or having to show your face, or even buying an expensive camera. I'm going to be showing you how you can automate it all. Now, one of the ways, or one of the popular niches which you can leverage on this with, is motivational talk, motivational speech, posting motivational speeches. Now, this is an example of a motivational channel that posts motivational speech. You can see this channel has 3.14 million subscribers, and if you look closely, you watch it, you can see people. However, you can exactly say, oh, this is the owner of the channel, because you can see it's more like generic videos. Then there's a write-up over it, then you would hear a voice over it if you watch motivational videos. And you can see these things amasses a lot of views. You can see in just 5 hours it has already 2.1k view, and stuff like that. You can see it has a lot of views here. Now, this is another motivational channel. This, you can see, it's, if you also look closely, you can see it's just generic videos, and you can see the write up here, it's just similar. And you can see this also has over 3 million subscribers, and you can see popular videos that have 71 million views, 19 million views, 18 million views, and the likes. That is to show you that this is actually getting a lot of traction. This is getting a lot of traction because people now are big on mental health, and they always need something that they can rely on, and help them out mentally. This is a motivational video. Okay, this is another motivational video, and you can see that if you look closely, you can see it's just like the same thing of the other one. And this is actually a different channel with a lot of subscribers, and you can see that this video in 2 days has amassed 12k views alone. So believe me when I tell you that this is the juice. Now, however, what I want you to be leveraging on is not just doing long form content, because you may think, oh, it may take a longer while. However, what I'm here to tell you, or what I'm here to bring to you, is you leveraging short form content. Now, YouTube has a short features, which is a recent feature, not so recent, but however more recent. And you can see this is a short form, and it is in portrait form, unlike the long form content, which is in the landscape form. Now the short form content, you can see this is also very similar. You can see it, and these are different channels having, you can see the right upper here, you can see the amount of views that these amasses. You can see this also. These are basically just like generic and automated videos, and you can make a whole lot from it. Now, how do you go to make a lot from it? We already know that the niche is motivational speech. We already know that the niche is making inspirational videos. Now, how are we going to start out? What is the next thing? I don't have an idea. Just hold on. That is why I'm here. Now, the next thing you want to go to, having known that, okay, you can delve into motivational shorts, you want to go on chat gpt and you search most searched motivational topics on YouTube. Now, depending on when you are watching it and depending on when you are making the search, the results may differ because it will bring out that which is being searched that is most popular at that point in time. Now, the one thing about ChatGPT is it the more you give it is the more it is able to bring out. Now, once you search it, you can see ChatGPT has brought out a lot of things that you can leverage on that people are actively searching, and if you post a short about it, you can see that people would actually view. And the thing about YouTube Shorts is you do not even have to spend a lot or cracking your head about titles or anything. You can literally see this person just wrote just something this basic and you can see how many views. You can see this person wrote only two choices, and that's that you can see how much likes it has amassed. So this is something that you can leverage on so easily and so amazing. So now that ChatGPT has brought out the most searched motivational topics on YouTube, the thing you want to do is you pick anyone. You can pick anyone that grabs your interest and you want to create. Mind you, you can create as many videos as you want, and one thing is that with just one video that you can get, you can turn it into multiple shorts, because shorts can be as short as 30 seconds and max 1 minute. So even from like a 5-minute video, you can crop out several shots from it. Now you want to make several videos, so let's say we're picking success and goal getting. The next thing you want to tell ChatGPT, and this is just for example, you can say write me 200, write me 100, whatever you want, but you can see write me a 50 words motivational speech on success and goal getting. Mind you, the more details you give to ChatGPT, the more quality feedbacks it gives you. Now you want to copy these 50 words here that ChatGPT has given you. You want to copy it, and now what you want to go to is you want to go to invideo.io. Now basically with invideo.io you can create videos with text prompts. Like, it is super easy. I did a video in one of my previous videos of a video. I just wrote 5 lines and InVideo made it into like a mini movie, and it was so amazing. And if you haven't watched that, I'll drop the link in my description. You can go ahead and check it out. However, I'm going to be showing you write the same thing in this video. So what you want to do, you can see, is enter any topic and InVideo gets to work. It generates a script, it creates the scenes, adds voiceover, and tweaks the videos at your command. And engaging your audience with InVideo is very effortless and very simple. So InVideo basically does all the work. Now, if you do not have an account, you want to click the sign up button, follow the prompt. It's basically simple, just do your email and your password. However, if you have an account and probably you've signed up from my last video, great. Now what you want to do is sign up and you want to log in. So now that you have signed up, what you want to do is what we have copied in ChatGPT, we're going to paste it here. So I didn't copy it initially, so I'm going to copy it now. So what you're going to do, you're going to copy it and you're going to paste it here. Once you have pasted it here, you're going to click generate a video. and it gets to work. Now it's going to process for a little while, and once it does that, you can see journey to success. Now it's asking what audience, entrepreneurs. So I clicked motivation seekers. What is the look and feel? How do you want the video to look and feel? You can click inspiring. What platform do you want to make use of this video? You can click YouTube. Now what you want to do is you can edit prompt if you want to. Probably there are a little things you want to tweak. However, if you don't want to, you click on continue. Now it's going to take a while to generate because it's going to feed you with all the videos, all the pictures, all the scenes, the text scenes, the voicing, and everything that will make your video. And all you need to do is relax. You can go ahead and do your laundry, you can go ahead and do the dishes while you are creating content. And this is the amazing and the juicy part of AI. So now we're going to hold on till this video is ready. Now you can see that our video is ready, and you can see out of just like 6 lines, it turned it into 2 minutes 49 seconds. Now because of the time frame of this video, I'm going to be showing you just 1 minute of the video. I'm going to be playing it now so you can know how this video, you can see I did not lift a finger, I did not do anything apart from putting the words into the giving the AI the prompt. So I'm going to be showing you now.
What if the key to success isn't just about reaching the top, but the climb itself? Imagine a mountain, its peak shrouded in the mystery of the clouds. The journey to the top is arduous, filled with obstacles and challenges. Yet those who dare to climb, those who set their goals and persist, experience a journey like no other.
So I know that you just watched the video and you can see that that is it. However, you can still edit the video. You can choose to edit, and you can choose to export. If you're ready, you can choose to save in a higher version. You can choose to export, save in a higher version. Just click export. And you can see, however, because you can, if you notice, you can see that the video has high stock on it, so it has like watermarks. However, if you want it without watermarks, if you want it without watermarks, if you don't want the in-video branding, because there'll be a little branding on the video, and if you want to be able to save it in 4K, you need to upgrade. However, what is the upgrade plan compared to how much you can earn on YouTube? There's a whole lot of money that you are leaving on the table, and this is something that, of course, if you upgrade, so if you upgrade and you buy 1 month plan, you can use that 1 month to create like 1 year worth of content, and you have saved a lot of money. So however, you can save with stock watermark, save as normal, and you can save in 1080 pixels and continue. So now what you want to do is, after you have grown your YouTube channel, you want to register for the YouTube Partners Program and begin earning. So if you found this video helpful, do well to hit the like button, do well to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any question, you want me to show you any particular thing on, or you will need a detailed video on in-video AI or how to register or sign up, just put it in the comment. If you have any questions, do well to leave it in the comment. I would like to hit, and do not forget to subscribe. Do well to hit the bell icon, so when next I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. I remain TFI, the Finance Intel, and I help to show you ways on how to make cool money online. Stay tuned.